So in this question, you're asked to prove that tan pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. So let us take the LHS. LHS is made of two terms, right? Tan pi by 4 plus x and this. So let us try to see what those terms are. Tan pi by 4 plus x is equal to, right? Tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. It is tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan x. And we know that tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. So 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x, right? Tan pi by 4 is 1. So similarly, tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. That is 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. So this is my first equation. This is my second equation. If you divide 1 by 2, tan pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to, so if you divide one with the other, you get 1 plus tan x whole square by 1 minus tan x whole square, which is the RHS. Hence, it is proved. Thank you.